Totally 75 people have died at the dark hour, which is the time from 1 a.m. to 6 a.m. in the dead of the night on last 4 consecutive nights. On the 10th night it was 26 people, on the 11th night it was 21 people, on the 12th night it was 15 people, and now last night it was 13 people. So 75 people have died on 4 consecutive nights because of oxygen shortage, basically mismanagement of oxygen supply in the Goa Medical College, which is the premier hospital in Goa. Now there is a complete collapse of governance in Goa. The High Court has invoked the Article 21 of the Constitution, which is right to life. In spite of the High Court intervention, the deaths are happening at this dark hour, and that is why people believe now that more than the government, it should be the High Court that should rule Goa, because the government is doing nothing other than photo ops and filing cases against those who expose them.